Hey guys, what's up? It's Ultra here, and welcome back to another video. Now, let me see, where is the game? Here it is. This game is called Doomsday. So, let's get straight into it. I've been playing a little bit. The reason I'm not upgraded that much is because I just sent out another nuke. As you can see, I have 242 mutants, and that's why I'm so low, since I just sent out another, disaster. So all my progress restarted. This used to be on silver, and I used to have everything on here at least upgraded to like 1 star. So yeah, but it does go pretty fast. Okay guys, I'm gonna turn down the volume on my TV. Okay, so guys, let's get back to this. Just making sure I'm still recording. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Blowing up monsters. Boom. Okay, so let's keep going, guys. Oh, dang it. Huh. Training signs. Let's see. I remember that guy. And him. These guys are cool. So, let's start heading down a little bit. Let's see what we can do. I'm probably gonna upgrade my water, since even if it's a game, it's important to have it with you at all times. So I'm just going to spam this. I am spending a lot of money. But at least now I get a load of money. Oh, that's not million. Oh. Hobbies is sewing. That's sewing. This should be pretty good. What? What was that? What's that sound? Okay. Sorry, it's from the show I'm watching. Okay, so what should I upgrade now? What to upgrade now? Yay, another $1 million. Oops, did not mean to go there. Boom. Let's see. So I got all of these. Well, whatever it is. Boom, 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 boom. And that's how you complete stuff like a boss. I'm sorry guys, I have to watch a video. I'm so sorry. Fine. Yes. Get going. I don't have money to spend, guys. I'm sorry. I'm looking around to see what I can do, since I'm really What is this anyway? Break to get? Okay. I really don't know what this is, guys. Good, I'm still recording. There was an issue with vehicles. Huh. Oh, you can break it for $105. That makes sense. Okay then. Boom boom. I'm honestly just gonna explode everything. Yeah! I'm so close. I'm so close. I must get to 300. No! Okay. So let's so close. No! Boom! Yes! Yes! Okay, so let's keep going. Let's keep going. Down a little bit. Now let's see what we're upgrading next. Oh, expensive stuff. This isn't that expensive. I'll get it. Okay, I know what you guys are thinking. What are you doing? That's like 2 clicks would be like $16,000. I know it would be 1,600,000 if that's even a real number. I don't think it is. It would be, yeah. All the millions are expensive. The thousands are really just, I really don't care. So, boom. I'm going to keep upgrading this one since it gets me a lot of money. Boom. It's about to get up another one very soon. I almost stopped breathing for a second there. This guy right here, it's no longer my arch nemesis. Let's go. What's happening here, you two? What did you do, Mr. Maraca? What did you do, Maraca Sloth? You made that place a dance studio. Come on, it's supposed to be fun. Not only dancing is fun, but it can't just be dance. Come on, Mr. Sloth Maraca. And just for that, I'm not gonna upgrade you. I will at some point once you have learned your lesson. Stop spamming that one. Go back to this one. I'm gonna keep spamming this one until it costs crazy amounts of money. So, boom, boom. Let me see what. Huh. Bonus per mutant plus 5%. That's cool. Upgrade! Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 0, 0, 0. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's cool. 12 stars. Let's escape. Dang it. That didn't work so well. Okay. So let's keep going. I've said that a million times since I have no idea what to do. I'm very rusty. I'm sorry I haven't been making videos, and I actually meant to say that at the beginning of the video, but I forgot since this is a lot of fun for me. So please don't ruin it, haters. And my phone is getting very warm. Did you guys just hear that weird sound thing? You have to tell me you heard that, right?